Diamonds have fascinated humanity for centuries because of their unmatched hardness, brilliance, and rarity. From ancient civilizations to modern collectors, people have searched for ways to identify real diamonds and distinguish them from imitations. Today, with the growing interest in natural gemstones, many individuals are especially curious about how to recognize black diamonds and rough, uncut diamonds at home before seeking professional evaluation. Among the most intriguing varieties is Carbonado, commonly known as black diamond. Unlike traditional transparent diamonds, Carbonado diamonds are opaque, dark in color, and often have a porous, irregular texture. Their mysterious origin and unusual appearance make them both valuable and frequently imitated. Because of this, learning simple preliminary identification methods can be extremely useful. Rough diamonds, on the other hand, are diamonds in their natural, uncut form. They may not look like the sparkling gemstones seen in jewelry stores. Instead, they often appear cloudy, irregular, and even similar to ordinary stones. However, their internal crystal structure and physical properties set them apart from other minerals. The challenge for many people is understanding how to recognize these characteristics without specialized tools. While professional testing by certified gemological laboratories such as the Gemological Institute of America remains the most accurate way to confirm authenticity, there are basic home methods that can help eliminate obvious fakes. Simple substances like vinegar and lemon juice contain mild acids that react with certain imitation stones but do not affect real diamonds. When combined with observation tests such as the fog test and shine inspection, these methods can provide helpful initial clues.